How to enable or disable turn off always on display for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then tap on battery. Next, tap on power saving, tap on the left hand side panel. Next, we scroll down and then tap on turn off always on display. Tap on the toggle button to switch this off, or tap on the toggle button to turn it on. When this is turned on, your phone will turn off always on display for power saving. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.